4 Nigerian websites where you can make money today doing simple tasks with your mobile phone. The first one is Naira Workers. The second one is Owo Daily. Third is Side Gig. And the fourth website is Naira Game. If you wait a moment, I will explain for you what you are going to do on each of these websites to make money, how you can start immediately. I will also share my opinion regarding things I like about them and things I don't like, more like red flags. This will help you a lot in taking decision and also getting started immediately. Naira Worker. So I have an account on Naira Worker and here is my dashboard. On this platform, you get paid to do simple gigs, micro tasks such as subscribing to YouTube channel, watching videos, following people on Instagram, liking a Facebook business page, and other simple things you can do with your mobile phone. Naira Worker is a very popular platform here in Nigeria and a lot of people have been cashing out from this platform. Here is my current balance. One of the ways to make real good money from this website without doing work is to get referrals. So if you have a lot of people sign up under you without performing any task, you make a lot of money because it's a recurring income. When people sign up under you, once they continuously perform tasks on this website, as they are earning money, you too will be earning a percentage of whatever they make. For example, I have not done more than 13 tasks on this platform, but here is my earning, and that's because people who sign up under me, as they are earning money, I am earning money from their own money. So referral is something you might want to consider because you don't need to perform tasks to keep getting paid. So long as people under you are performing tasks, you'll be earning money from that. What I like? Well, I like the fact that the tasks here are not difficult. These are things an average person who has a smartphone can do. So it's easy to subscribe to your YouTube channel, follow an Instagram account, and other simple micro tasks you can do. Secondly, you get to know how much you earn per task you complete. It will help you to go for either the high-paying ones or not. Third is that they have categories of tasks here. There are tasks that are recently uploaded, and then there's high-paying tasks. This is also a good way to help you earn more money by going for the high-paying task. This way, you can go for tasks that pay up to 400, 500 naira per task. Another thing I like about Naira Workers is the referrals. The fact that when someone signs up under you, they perform tasks, you earn each time they make money from the platform. So if you have up to 1,000 people sign up under you, that's a lot of money without you doing any task at all on the platform. You'll be able to cash out consistently. What I don't like about Naira Workers is that they don't approve tasks as fast as possible. Take a task, complete and submit to them. It might take days and in some cases weeks before those tasks are approved and the money reflects on your dashboard. This is just one downside of the platform. Side Gig. This is yet another platform that will pay you for doing simple micro tasks. Tasks such as music review, content engagement, app download, surveys, movie reviews, and promotions. What I like about this platform is that they have varieties of tasks you can do here and earn from. Now, beyond doing social media engagement, you can do reviews, surveys, and a whole lot of other tasks. Unlike the first one I shared. Another thing I like about this website is that you can connect with them. They are very active across social media platforms like their Instagram account, Facebook, and all of that. So if you scroll down the website here, you are going to see links to their social media accounts and you can connect with them, get to ask them questions, and a whole lot of other things you want to do. Another thing I like about this platform is the user interface. Their website is well designed and beautiful. I just like it. Now, I know it's trivial, but I like it. One thing I don't like about this platform is that it takes long to get your application approved. So you make application today, it will take days, if not weeks, for your application to be approved for you to join the platform. I don't know why it takes so long to approve applications. It might be that a lot of people are submitting applications. I just don't know. So I can't make excuses for them. I only know that approving application on this platform takes longer than it should. The next platform is Owo Daily. So Owo Daily is yet another great platform where you can make a lot of money performing micro tasks. Somehow, it appears more secure to me than some other micro task platforms. So on Owo Daily, they have two packages. They have the free package, which is something you create a free account and join. They also have a premium package, which requires you to pay money to upgrade your membership. Its premium package, which starts from 3,000 Naira, you gain access to more tasks than those who are using free plan. On their website, people have completed 925,000 tasks on this platform. That's approximately 1 million micro tasks completed on this platform. What I like about them, Owo Daily goes beyond micro task. So on this platform, you can do affiliate marketing. If you already have a product, you can list it and have people help you sell your product as affiliate. You can also become an affiliate, helping other people sell their product, and you make commission from doing so. I have equally seen a lot of people talk about how much they've earned from this platform. What I don't like about them, the fact that there's premium package. It means that those that are using free package won't get access to quality jobs. So it's almost a waste of time, because the main task that can earn you real good amount of money would be given to premium members. And the fourth website is Naira Game. Now, this platform is like all other micro task platform where you perform tasks and get paid. However, they promise you a lot of commissions: sign up commission, referral commission, daily login commission, share post, and a whole lot of other things. So from their website, once you sign up on a daily basis, you get a commission which ranges between 100 Naira to 400 Naira. When you get people to sign up under you, you also get commission for bringing in more members to this platform. To create accounts on this platform, you need to sign up with 800 Naira as a registration fee. You buy a coupon code, and with that coupon code, you can create account for yourself. And this 800 Naira is actually something you pay every month. What I like about this platform is that their website looks beautiful. Yeah, I like the look of the website. It looks so appealing. What I don't like about them, the platform has a lot of adverts. It's kinda annoying. Now, most times, before you even done navigating the platform, it must have taken you to 3, 4, 5 different adverts, because you don't need to click on it. Now, I don't know how the bug does it, but just navigating around, you find yourself clicking on this advert and being taken to the platform of advertisers, and it's very annoying. Another thing is that this platform is pretty new. It started just few months ago, so you need to trade with care, do your due diligence before you sign up on this platform. Links to all the platforms I mentioned here are contained in the description of this video. Are you getting value from this video? Give me a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate that. Now, if you've not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it, so you get notified each time I publish new videos. For more videos on how to make money with your mobile phone doing simple tasks, here's the next video you need to watch. So click right now and you'll learn a lot from it. See you in my next video. Bye.